Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to turn on screen distance on iOS 17. So if you want to go ahead and turn on screen distance, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, just how to do this. Please watch this video until the end to find out how. All we need to do first, guys, is to launch the settings application, and to go ahead and scroll down onto screen time. Now, once you're already here, let's go ahead and tap on screen distance right here, and go ahead and tap on continue. Basically, what screen distance is, it's gonna reduce your eye strain and the risk of myopia in children. Screen distance will also alert you to hold a phone, an iPad with the Face ID at a recommended distance. So in this case, if you want to have this turned on, tap on continue and go ahead and read the on-screen instructions. In this case, tap on continue once more, and basically you now have screen distance automatically turned on your device. If you do have an iPhone or iPad device with the Face ID, it will basically recommend a distance to you on where to hold your specific device to avoid eyes strain and myopia. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.